So first thing first, I had to bleach the frontal lace. So I want the roots and the extension to have the same color, so that is why I bleached it. So as you can see, this is how the finished bleaching look like. So I'll go ahead and put it on the wig cap, then sew it down. So I finished sewing down my frontal and it looks so neat and clean. So I love this so far. So when the frontal is beautifully laid down on the wig cap, we'll go ahead and then start crocheting some extension to the rest of the wig cap. So if you are still watching this video at this point, thank you. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you hit the red subscribe button in order to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we have so much coming in. So don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you think, and if you want me to do a particular video for you, also leave that in the comment section. So after crocheting part of the wig cap, I start box braiding. Like, the braiding is simple and it's just normal, like how you are braiding a normal hair. Like, it's just simple and normal. Like, as you see me do, that's how simple it is. So when I braid and then I finish a certain section, I go back and crochet again on the other section, then braid as well. So that's basically it on after braiding the rest of the wig cap, I went ahead at the line joining the wig cap and the lace frontal. I crocheted some hair along that line, like without giving spaces, and then I braided the hair that I crocheted there. So this helps to cover the wig entirely. Like you will notice that the entire wig is well covered. Like yeah, so the behind is done. So we are going to start braiding the frontal. So before braiding the frontal, I went ahead and removed some baby hair. So I just did a cornrow to it so that it will be out of the way. You won't disturb me anyway. So I start by padding the frontal into my desired size. So in order to achieve your knotless braid, you start braiding the hair without the extension. I think you braid about 4 to 5 times before you add the extension. You add it beneath the hair. So you just keep on adding until when you have the desired size, and then you just braid along till the end. So as usual, after braiding the hair, I went ahead, took a pair of scissors and started trimming out those excess hair that came out at the sides of the braid. No, some frontals tend to have a lot of short hair within them. So if you don't take out those things that come out at the side, you will not make your work look beautiful. So as you can see, this is the finished wig. I am loving this wig. It is so beautiful, fully covered. Look at the behind, how it is. This is work perfect. Look at how the ends are faded out. Like the wig is just wow. It is super lightweight. So I went ahead and I dipped the ends into warm water. So I usually pour hot water on the extension, but just because today I'm working in the night and I'm indoors, so I had to just dip the ends into water. So after doing that, I used my hand. It is, yes, it is hot. So I use my hand to straighten the wig well, so that you shouldn't have those coils, those folding coils that I don't want. So I use my hands to stretch it so that it should remain straight. Went ahead and put some clips, or is it hooks. I put 3 of them on this wig. I put 1 at the back and 2 at the sides. So I also added a rubber band. All this is just to make the wig fit perfectly on your head. So that's it about this wig. If you love this tutorial, make sure you hit the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you do so, and don't forget to turn up the bell notification to be notified whenever I upload new tutorials. So until next time, bye bye for now.